here's typically what happens when you hit an exotic car. Usually, what's up everyone? This is Ali Awad, the CEO lawyer, and today we are gonna do the Ask Ali show where I'm gonna take your legal, business, and other related questions for me, answering them live on YouTube, on Instagram, on Facebook, on all social platforms. So let's go. John G asks, I hit a McLaren the other day and I'm worried that I'm gonna have to pay a lot of money out of pocket. What happens in this situation? Okay, so if you guys don't know, a McLaren is an exotic car. Hopefully he didn't hit one of those speed tails because they're like a $3 or $4 million car. Maybe it's just an El Cheapo 570S. Look, both of them are expensive cars, but here's typically what happens when you hit an exotic car. Usually, the insurance company is gonna wanna settle with whatever money you have available. Now, most people don't have $150,000, $200,000, or $300,000 in coverage, much less $5 million in liability coverage to cover the damages of someone else's vehicle. Usually, the owner of the exotic car or the luxury vehicle will have to have their insurance company chip in for the balance of the damages. So, as long as you have a minimum liability coverage, usually your insurance company is gonna wanna just settle with your insurance company and then go after the owner of the vehicle's insurance for the remainder. But that's not always the case. The owner of that McLaren or luxury or sports car can decide to sue you personally. So let's say you only have $25,000 in insurance coverage and the owner of that vehicle had liability coverage for some reason. They didn't have uninsured motorist coverage or comprehensive and collision, right? They could decide to just sue you personally for all of your assets. They have that option because you were negligent, and as a result of your negligence, you caused them a lot of damages. So there's always the possibility that they can sue you for the full amount of the vehicle damages, but most of the time, as long as you have some insurance policy, you can rest assured that usually wealthy people decide to have extra insurance on their own vehicles for this same exact situation. And as a bonus, if you have a vehicle that's worth $100,000 or more, you definitely shouldn't have just liability coverage. If the insurance agent tells you that you have full coverage insurance, remember, there is no such thing as full coverage insurance. You need to have uninsured motorist coverage and comprehensive and collision coverage to make sure that the damage to your vehicle is always protected, whether or not the accident is your fault. And as an additional bonus, you should have medical payments coverage and personal injury protection on your insurance policy. That way, you are always protected no matter what happens. This is Ali with the Ask Ali show. If you have any legal or business related questions, just shoot me a DM on Instagram at CEO Lawyer, or just comment below whatever questions you have and I will make a video as a response. Take care.